This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jessica Watkins. Looking for your diamond in the rough? Look no further. This adorable 1930s cottage has so much potential, just waiting to be restored to its original charm and character. Fabulous Hall's location, convenient to restaurants, shopping, schools, and more. All of this on a generous, corner lot gives room to let your imagination flow with this property. Buyer to verify all square footage as it came from tax documents. Property is being sold as is and all outdoor buildings will convey with property. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessica Watkins at 865-584-4000.